Hey best friends, welcome back to my channel. So today Tinashe has sent me this 13 by 6 Waterwave wig. This is 22 inches, 250 density. Yeah, she a thick one. And she is pre-plucked, okay? And so we're just gonna do a regular old degular install. So I'm just showing you what the wig looks like. She's a standard stock wig. She has 4 combs, adjustable straps, and like I said before, this is a 13 by 6 with medium brown lace. So let's just start off with customization. Because this is a Lacefront wig, and to make it look a little bit more natural, I'm going to go in and bleach my knots. I'm going to use my 30 volume developer with my quick blue. I use probably like a scoop or half a scoop with equal amounts of developer, and I mix it together to get my thick consistency. I like to apply it. Like a lot of people be like, don't put pressure, but you really don't put pressure. I'm just applying it to the lace, trying not to push it all the way in, but you want to push it a little bit because you want it to get into the knots. So I'm gonna just apply it evenly, and then what I like to do, I take it off of my mannequin head, and then I'll pull the hair that's on the hairline off the lace, because if you put your bleach on the way that I'm doing it right now, you might get some bleach on your hair. So you want to pull it up so it won't lay in the bleach. So I'm showing you the hairline now, and that I pulled the little hairs up so it won't get bleached. And so I let that sit about 20 minutes. I rinse it out, use purple shampoo to tone the knots, and I wash and deep condition it. And so this is what it looks like after it's dried and she's ready to apply. So I'm just fitting the wig on my head right now, just seeing what it do, to see if it fits me all the way around. And she does. I will say I'm in between, like it just depends on how my hair is underneath. I'm a 22.5 or 23 circumference. If you are a 23 circumference and you have a lot of hair, this wig might be a little snug for you. So make sure, if you were to purchase this wig, or if you wear any wigs anyway, and you want to commit to wigs, and you want to make sure you grow your hair, and you say, okay, well, wigs it is, make sure you get your hair braided. Put your hair in a protective style for your wigs so you could thrive underneath. Okay, so like me, I keep my braids under my wigs for maybe 2 months, a month and a half, and then I take them out, put new braids in. But that's how you grow your hair. Leave your hair alone. So if you're wearing wigs, just make sure there's low manipulation to your hair, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my Got To Be concoction to apply my wig. I use both the free spray and the black gel, or the clear gel, but in the black tube. And I mix both of those together, and I like to put it on my hairline and my skin. Now, I do that because I feel like the consistency of the stickiness is way better than using one or the other. So I like to use them together. And I'll apply it thinly on my hairline and on my skin. And you don't want to apply it cakey, because if you do, it's going to seep through your lace. So you want to make sure you do a thin layer and blow dry it on cool or warm. Alright, so I'm going to do that throughout my entire hairline. And I am going to go in and cut off the lace with my eyebrow razor. Now, I'm not sure if this wig come in longer lengths, because I only have a 22, but I hope it does, because it's a high density wig. But this wig in like a 26 will be banging. Like, I need that, Tinashe. Like, I need that in a 26 inch. A 250 density wig. Like, she's so full. Like, she's not skimpy at all. So once I have my lace down, I'm gonna go in and like kind of gel down my baby hair. Now, I don't leave my baby hair gel down. I like to do this so I can set the front of my hairline, and then I'll usually go in and comb it out. But I started liking to use the Got To Be to do this, because like sometimes when you have this mixture with Got To Be underneath your lace, if you go in with something like mousse, which is water based, and Got To Be is water based too, you're going to end up having lifting, and that's not what I want. So I like to just go in with the gel, and I like to just do my baby hairs that way, so it'll set, and then I could go in and comb it out. And if I have any residue, I take like a towel with a little bit of alcohol, and I'll just rub my hairline and it'll disappear. And the makeup that I'm using is my Next to Nothing by MAC, and I like to dab that on my lace just to blend everything in. And so I decided I wanted to comb this hair out so you guys could see the different textures. And I for sure would have wore my hair combed out, but I wanted you guys to see it combed out, wet, and when the curls are fresh and popping. So yeah, like, I love Waterwave. Waterwave is one of my favorite hair textures, and I adore Tinashe hair. This is not my first time, you know, reviewing one of their wigs. This is a very bomb wig, especially if you want a wig that's in a high density, and it's definitely affordable. I will definitely say that. So if you're interested, I will leave all the information down below in the description box. So I didn't want to completely drench my hair in water, but I wanted to make it wet enough that, you know, my mousse that I'm going to put on next can like really do its job, okay? Like, I'm not the type of person that like to put mousse on dry hair. Like, I need my hair to be a little bit damp, alright? So my favorite mousse of all time is Cantu Wave and Curl Whip, okay? Like, this is my jam for wavy curly hair. And even with my straight hair, when I'm doing my baby hairs, this is what I'm going to use. It's not sticky, it doesn't have a strong smell, and when I go in to press my hair, like if it's a straight wig and I'm doing like a straight or curled style, it does not leave like that residue. So I love this mousse. Like, it's my favorite mousse. And then I think my second favorite mousse after this is Nairobi. So yeah, but this is what the hair looks like wet, and she's just thick and she's just luscious, and I'm here for it. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section. I will leave all the information to this wig and everything that I use in the description box. And until next time, bye best friends.